Alright, we got us another engine night here. Got a little dirt bike.
Oops.
And daddy dirt bike.
Hey.
And this is one of the generators that we picked up in that haul. And the guy says it doesn't work. He says the engine runs though, so we're going to put it up on the table here and try and start it and see if we can find out why it isn't working. Good, you guys want to pick that up? I'll give you a hand, but I got to hold this camera. Oh boy.
No.
Oh boy. There we go.
Good enough.
Alright.
Some gas in it.
See if we got any gas in there, buddy. Is the tank rusted?
It's empty.
Empty? That might be good.
No wonder it doesn't run.
Yeah. How about that hand? Maybe we should have turned it around this way, buddy.
Oh.
That way, if we try and start it.
Yeah.
Maybe, you know what? Put it lengthwise.
Alright.
No, don't hurt yourself.
There we go.
Oh, that's no good. Alright, let me give him.
Do similar.
Let me give him a hand. Alright, buddy, when we want to start?
Well, I was going to put some fuel in it, but I noticed here that it looks like somebody drained the fuel out by
oh yeah, look at that.
conveniently removing an 1.5 piece of,
Oh, you know what? I bet you had a shutoff valve or something, or else you just cut it.
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't either.
Well, you know, I don't know.
Huh.
You know, if you was going to cut it, I don't see why he would have taken that much out of it. So maybe something chewed that out of there. Or
yeah.
They probably had a shutoff foot valve, right?
Yeah,
Like you said.
that's what I mean.
Yeah, so he probably just took the valve out.
Because it looks like it might be two different kinds of hose. But
Yeah.
oh, that's a pain in the balls to get that.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll see what I got. Well, you know what? How about let me get out of the way here. We'll check see if it has a spark.
Alright. Get the spark cover.
Looks like it's a pretty decent. He said the engine and ran, so hopefully that's one thing we're not going to mess with. Go with the small one, buddy. It's easier.
Alright, buddy. You see that?
If I get over where you're at and you get over where I'm at.
Alright.
Hold it, hold it, hold it. Okay, let me get down low here. Alright, go ahead, buddy.
Alright, I'm going. See anything?
No.
Alright.
Try again. I think I seen something.
Yeah? I saw something.
Yeah, I saw something. It's tough to see because the whole machine, it's on springs, so it's...
plus it's a little loose in here.
Yeah,
so.
plus a little cattywampus.
Yeah.
But
So I
did see a spark, that's all we got to see.
I think we're okay.
Alright, let's work on that gas line. Alright, I think he's going to start. You got to take the shroud off to get to the gas line. If I had to guess, I'd say this was probably from the 70s. I don't know for sure though. Has numbers on it, but I haven't been able to find too much information on it. Because he actually has the SEARS number. You get over here, buddy.
Okay. Watch out for that.
You got one more over here. What you looking for over here, buddy?
Motorcycle parts.
Harley. Daddy dirt bike has 2 Harley Davidsons in a box, 2 basket cases at home he's going to put together this winter. Huh. Everything seems pretty good, buddy.
Yep.
Dump it in the garbage here, all that dust. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. This is hard though. We probably could have weaseled it through there, but this is the easy way. Let me see if I can find some gas line. What does that look like, buddy? 1/4 inch?
Maybe 3, maybe.
Yeah, it's pretty small. Okay. Let me see what I can find for you. You take it off.
Okay.
Alright. I didn't have 1/4 inch gas line. I had 3/8, and that would have worked okay. Only problem is it wouldn't fit in there in between the fins and stuff like that. So I had this sort of like a vinyl hose, this black vinyl, and I think even that's 3/8, but we crushed it down for it to work, but it was thinner than the other stuff. And we're getting a few kinks here, but we can straighten that out just enough. It's going to get flow, but at least we'll be able to see if we'll get gas to the carburetor and we'll be able to see if we can get this thing running. All right, you put the shroud back on, buddy.
All right.
All right, buddy, put some fuel in that thing.
Food.
Fuel. Fuel is food for this engine. These kids crack me up. Look, in the hole. Try and get some in the hole. Oh jeez.
You make me laugh.
Oh jeez. Don't put too much in there. I don't want to have to clean up too much. Well, put a little more in there. Put a little more in there.
Stripping.
Is it?
Oh, take it out.
Hold up.
Stop.
It stopped. Let's crank up on that. Alright, looks like, yeah, looks right out here. I bet you the float bolt's stuck. We're going to try to start it without taking it off, because I didn't have an extra gasket set for this, but looks like we might have to, buddy. Have to crimp the gas line and take that apart. Alright. Alright. Looks like our problem is the gas line there. It's not going to work for us. It's leaking there. We got it as tight as we can, and it's even leaking on this side. So it's dripping over here. So wow, it's dripping pretty good, buddy. All right. So we're not going to be able to try and start this. I'm going to have to buy some 1/4-inch gas line, rubber gas line, and then we'll go from there. So looks like this is going to be a short video.
Man.
I don't know. Hate to disappoint you guys, but yeah, I don't want to burn a garage down trying to start it. Not over a $50 generator, right? All right, we're gonna call this one. We're gonna call it quits on this one until we get the right parts. We tried. We gave it a go, right, mate?
Yes, we did.
All right.
Later, tubes.
See you guys, Daddy. There you go. All right. Enough of this.